First up, we have Jasper. This tool is like the Swiss Army knife of AI writing. It's incredibly versatile, making it perfect for everything from blog posts to social media captions. Jasper's user-friendly interface is a big plus, especially for those who might not be tech-savvy. One of its standout features is the ability to generate long-form content. You can create entire articles with just a few prompts. Plus, Jasper offers templates tailored for specific needs, like email marketing or product descriptions. However, it does come with a price tag that might make some hesitate. If you're serious about content creation and can invest, Jasper could be worth every penny.